25 sentences using the word beyond.
The mountains extend beyond the horizon. She has talents beyond what you can imagine. His kindness goes beyond words.
Beyond the city limits, there are beautiful landscapes.
The road continues beyond the bridge.
The project exceeded expectations beyond our wildest dreams.
He looked beyond the obvious to find the solution.
Her achievements go beyond academic success.
They traveled beyond the borders of the country.
Beyond the call of duty, he helped everyone in need.
The benefits of the new policy go beyond cost savings.
The universe extends far beyond our galaxy.
She thought beyond the immediate problem.
The forest stretches beyond the river.
Beyond this point, no entry is allowed.
His vision for the future goes beyond our current plans.
The impact of the invention is beyond comprehension.
Beyond the reach of the lighthouse, the sea was dark.
Her generosity was beyond measure.
The play was successful beyond our expectations.
The mystery of the old house goes beyond its appearance.
The service provided was beyond satisfactory.
They explored regions beyond the known world.
Beyond her role as a teacher, she is a mentor and a friend.
His courage in the face of danger was beyond admirable.